With 16 years in the business, thousands of properties managed, and over $500 million in assets in our current portfolio, SJA Property Management delivers what today's landlords actually need: responsive, industry-leading, full-service rental management backed by results and happy clients. We're a locally owned, family-operated company serving the greater Seattle area. We know the market, the tenants, and the competition, and we use that insight to help you lease faster, manage smarter, and grow your long-term return. Here's what you can expect from SJA. Leasing and marketing that gets results. We schedule showings 7 days a week. The listings are syndicated across 25+ rental sites. Data-backed pricing that keeps you competitive, keeps lower vacancies, and stronger tenant quality. Modern systems that keeps things moving. Digital move-in, move-out inspections with hundreds of time-stamped photos. Owner and tenant portals for real-time access. Online rent collection and maintenance coordination. Hands-on, full-service management. 24/7 response to tenant needs. Respectful, professional tenant communication equals higher retention. Preferred vendors who deliver quality and offer discounted rates. Protection where it counts. 98% of tenants pay rent on time due to strict screening. Renters insurance is required and verified. Security deposits structured to reduce your exposure. Routine property evaluations with full reports in your portal. And to take it a step further, we offer 8 exclusive owner guarantees designed to protect your equity, limit your risk, and deliver you peace of mind. At SJA, we make your rental property ownership profitable, protected, and hands-off. Contact SJA Property Management today. Let's take the stress out of your investment.